All right, so this is my first iteration of the website design. Definitely try to keep it clean and minimal, as we discussed and as Nick suggested. Um, we've got obviously the heading and stuff is going to change depending on what we call it and if we want sort of an attention grabber kind of thing. Link to the different categories, I guess, and a call to action, whatever that may be. And yeah, we'll develop a logo for that for um, our promotion. And yeah, so this is a landing page. If we go over, I kind of created the rest of the website as well. Um, so I have a countdown event to kind of, I don't know, create a sense of urgency almost to potentially register, which I guess is how we probably should do it. That way we can get the names and addresses of the people coming. An about section with an option to have a video played. I know we discussed that recently. And down here we've got kind of the key aspects that, I don't know, maybe key characteristics that we as a whole cohort possess. The last one being the right choice, trying to convince the industry professionals that we are indeed the right choice and that we should be choosing. And this kind of style here I use for my personal website here. And I think it's a fun little animation where as you scroll down, the I guess the question or the statement follows the screen with you. And I think it's a little bit of fun, and then it stops when it hits the bottom of the section. So I'll probably try and incorporate that as well. Let's go back here. So scroll down. I think this is a good idea to kind of promote the kind of briefs that we've completed, but I also don't want to run the risk of going like kind of saying, oh yeah, we've worked with these companies. We've only done a brief that incorporated them. So I like the idea and I want to kind of stick with it, but there might be a way that we need to disclose that we haven't actually worked for Lego and Audible and all that. Obviously, there's going to be different logos. I just putting them in here for placeholders. Now, probably the biggest thing about this website is how we're going to kind of display it, display ourselves. Now, I've just copied and pasted these just with my name and an example portfolio link. But I reckon having a profile picture to show the client who we are, and then maybe 2 pieces of outstanding work that an individual has done to try and grab the attention of people in the industry. Up here we have subcategories. Again, I did this with my website down here because I'm doing graphic design and advertising. So I've got a featured graphic design, advertising kind of thing. And I think that's probably the best way to sort out or kind of segregate the styles of design we are doing. So yeah, and clicking anywhere on here will just take them to our personal portfolios, wherever it may be. And then down here, I think we discussed having an Instagram page as well. I think directly connecting our Instagram page into our website will be a good way of kind of tying the 2 platforms together. And again, on the other end, on the Instagram page, I recommend that every post we do, we have a link to this website, kind of creating a full circle thing. And the bottom here will be just a bottom banner with, just various utensils that we might need. So nothing important. So yeah, that's what it looks like. This is kind of what it looks like as a whole. Very clean, minimalist, which I think is what we all want to go for. We haven't sold on the colors yet. I've Zen creating color palettes as we speak. These are just a kind of temporary placeholder, and also with this kind of design, I'm a bit iffy on how this connects here, so I might make this entire white bit just a wavy bubble to blend everything together. But they're kind of small details that we can work out later. It's not very important, but I'm more inclined to talk about the structure of the website itself. And I believe that I've ticked everything we talked about off in our list. And yeah, so give us a heads up and what you think. And yeah, be as harsh as you want. I'll take it in good faith.